Hey, what's up guys? How to be a good person, to be kind to people, or do something very well, or spending your money to other people. This stuff are make a person better, but this is not enough to make you a good person. So here we go. You are a good person or not? Let's test it out. If you really want to become a good person, you are the right video. So if you really search this video, am I a good person? You are really a good person, because you might think about goodness. Every people choose their correct, they don't choose the real correct just because for their prejudice. You can see people who dislike this video for many reasons. They maybe don't like my speech or video is bad, or they just want to dislike, and I respect them because they help you a lot. They always speak your fault. I found my many faults, mistakes from those guys, and I'll try to fix them. So there is a golden rule you need to know. You need to accept your faults and mistakes. If you can accept your mistakes, you are a huge person. I mean, not wake up early and don't want to go school, not being smart is not your fault. The mistake is maybe lying. We always lie to ourselves, lie to people, maybe we just lie to fix a problem. We think the problem is fixed, but we never pissed about it. I think lying is the Satan's biggest weapon. So if you're lying so much, try to say less. If you say less, please try to never lie. We can't escape lying. See lying as your enemy. You need to know that this word is a lie. Word is telling you lie. So you have to be honest yourself, and you need to face up the word no matter what it takes. Telling the truth. Be fair. Maybe you will lose your everything, but you will never lose your humanity. By the way, most of the successful people are good person. They can discuss each other without hate. They are extremely patient. And the second thing is prejudice. This is the mother of every problem. If you're not prejudiced, you are a perfect person. You need to know you are so much talented person. The reason is why people are prejudiced, because they are not educate themselves. They always see he's the most powerful, most educated, most respectful person. And who says like that? We all know how they are bad and disgusting. On the contrary, those who don't have prejudice, those people such an open-minded, respectful to others and himself. If you're a prejudiced person, please learn how to deal with this. Don't judge yourself, keep learning and read something. It will help you a lot, trust me. So guys, this video will be short. I'm gonna finish this video here, and thank you so much watching for this video. I'll see you next time.